Good afternoon, ma'am. Now, I sing a song from Rich Brian. The title is That Stick. Music, play. I hope you like this. Twelve in the money pop shelf for a living and very gone smell blood trail. Every minute throw grave or no niggas no fail. When I hit them every time I see a P, I don't hesitate to kill him and nobody give a fuck about the rule. Air got a plumber sort of tool. I'm a cool if mine is no bull. While I'm spraying this guy to fuck a gang affiliated with nothing but my name, man. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking bow. I'ma pull up with a stick and hit your motherfucking door, man. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking bow. I'ma pull up with a stick and hit your motherfucking door. Yeah, that's all. I don't know the next of the lyrics. I hope you give me the best rating from another. Thanks for listening and have a nice day.
I hope you like this. 12 in the money pop shelf for a living and very gone smell blood trail. Every minute throw grave or no niggas no fail. When I hit him every time I see a P, I don't hesitate to kill him and nobody give a fuck about the rule. Air got a plumber sort of tool. I'm a cool if mine is no bull. While I'm spraying this guy to fuck a gang affiliated with nothing but my name, man. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking bow. I'ma pull up with a stick and hit your motherfucking door, man. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking bow. I'ma pull up with a stick and hit your motherfucking door. Yeah, that's all. I don't know the next of the lyrics. I hope you give me the best rating from another. Thanks for listening and have a nice day. I hope you like this. 12 in the money pop shelf for a living and very gone smell blood trail. Every minute throw grave or no niggas no fail. When I hit him every time I see a P, I don't hesitate to kill him and nobody give a fuck about the rule. Air got a plumber sort of tool. I'm a cool if mine is no bull. While I'm spraying this guy to fuck a gang affiliated with nothing but my name, man. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking bow. I'ma pull up with a stick and hit your motherfucking door, man. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking bow. I'ma pull up with a stick and hit your motherfucking door. Yeah, that's all. I don't know the next of the lyrics. I hope you give me the best rating from another. Thanks for listening